Fellow Nigerians, the symbolic declaration of protest by the Punch newspaper and their online publications to prefix the title, the military title of the President of Nigeria as Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired is a welcome development. That protest is the reflection of the draconian rule, the gross abuse of the rule of law, the unlawful detention of our compatriots, and the defecation on the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. All these are happening while the Senate lawmakers are sheepishly watching. Once upon a time, DSS invaded the Senate building. Immediately, the acting president Yemi Osinbajo sacked the DSS director Lawal Daura. Today, DSS has invaded inside the court, and Yemi Osinbajo, senior advocate of Nigeria, and the 4 other senior advocates of Nigeria in Buhari's government, they are silent. They are watching. Nigerians are watching. The director of DSS is still there, while Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired is commanding. You might have observed that long before now, as a coalition, we refer to Buhari as retired general. We never refer to him as a president. But immediately after the Supreme Court ruled that he purportedly won the sham presidential election of 2019, as law-abiding citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we resorted to referring to him as president. Because we are law-abiding citizens. But today, from what we are seeing in today's Nigeria, we, members of the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria, hereby declare our solidarity and full support for the action of Punch. We call on all media to follow suit by calling a spade a spade. Journalists are in detention, non-journalists are in detention, pro-democracy activists are in detention, 40 court orders have been disregarded and discarded by this government. Jones Abiru, a journalist, is currently undergoing secret trial. The continuing silence of the media may simply mean that they are in full support of this full-blown dictatorship. The Nigerian Labour Congress, Nigerian Bar Association, National Association of Nigerian Students, and all civil societies should follow suit now by calling a dictator by his name. The time has come for us to stand up and speak truth to power. Garba Shehu, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, reacted to the action of Punch by saying that Punch is only expressing their freedom of expression. That statement was to show to the outside world that this government is tolerant with people expressing themselves. But the next day, the very next day, the correspondent of Punch newspaper was expelled from Aso Rock. That expulsion, that action, is the real Buhari. And that is enough for all other media practitioners in Nigeria and those ones assigned to Aso Rock to withdraw their services from Aso Rock. Let Garba Shehu be reporting Nigerian news on Twitter. They should be doing that. Let them use their NTA because it's a government body. It is time for everybody to begin to speak truth to power and we must stand up in solidarity. This regime of retired Major General Muhammadu Buhari does not, may not, and will never understand the true definition of democracy. Neither do they understand the meaning of change. A soldier is always a soldier. The leopard can never, ever change its spots. But most importantly is the fact that this is a huge lesson to all Nigerians, that never again must we bring people into office, whether by hook or by crook, or from our hearts, people that are ex-soldiers. Never again must we vote them into civilian regimes. When they retire, they should stay retired. Because once a soldier, always a soldier. We do not need them to come and rule us. We no longer need rulers. Nigeria is in search of leaders. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.